Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in. I'm Paolo, and I'm the person behind the channel Tea and Gunpla. I really wanted to make this video because recently the channel passed 1000 subscribers, and I think this calls for some celebration, doesn't it? Well, that was wild, wasn't it? But now that we got a bit crazy with our celebrations, I think I would like to spend a couple of minutes talking with you about a couple of stuff that are in my mind. The first, well, is telling you a big thank you. Thank you so much. Like, for me, 1000 subscribers is an incredible milestone. When I started the channel, I honestly was prepared to nobody liking the content, nobody watching, and just probably keep doing it for myself because, it was something I really wanted to do. And instead, you guys are watching, you guys are subscribing, you guys are commenting. I love reading your comments. I try to answer all of them as much as I can. And so please keep doing it. So yeah, thank you again. Also, I would like to talk to you about the future of the channel. And I want to address a bit the fact that there's been a bit of a lack of content lately. That's unfortunately because of some personal issues that gave me, not so much free time. And the fact that the next video is gonna be a bit different of the ones I made before. And I'm getting a bit of an unexplored lens, let's say. But I hope you're gonna like it. And after that, we're gonna go back to the regular tutorial videos. A lot of you came on the channel because of the brush painting videos and tutorials, and we're gonna see more of that. We're gonna see more in-depth guides about parts and techniques. I would also like to go through weathering, through battle damage, and I don't know. Let me know what you would like. There is a nice comment section. We have a nice Discord server that I will leave the invite in the link below. So yeah, talk to me. Let me know what you guys would like to see. And I think that is gonna be it for today. Once again, thank you. Thank you so much. You made me really, really happy. You made my day. And see you soon.